Hello to all my sweet children. Welcome to DP Kids as usual to make origami creations. Now today we are going to make a heart. Would you like to make the heart and see? You can give it to your parents or your teachers. Even our preschool children can make a heart shape like this. Shall we make it and see? So as usual, I have taken a square piece of paper. Now please follow through with me. Now turn it around. Now this is a square, but we need a diamond shape, so like this. So keep it like this. Then hold it down with one hand and take this corner, this bottom corner, and bring it up to that corner. Now then keep it like this and then press it down. So always keep one hand steadily on the paper so that your other hand can move around and do what is necessary. Otherwise your paper will be moving around and then you won't get the same. So do the same thing again on the other side. So now that you have a triangle, then press it down again. Now open it up. Here this corner comes to the middle like this. And then this corner comes up. And then we have to press it down like that. And then this middle line, can you see? You have to bring this edge to that middle line. So hold on to the paper with your left hand and then bring this lower edge to the middle line like this. And then we have to press it down. But make sure it hasn't changed at all. And do the same thing on the other side. See, now you can see the heart shape emerging. Turn it around now and these little triangles, see? Slowly fold it down a little bit. Just a little bit, so that it looks a bit flat, and it has to be the same size. And do the same thing to this corner as well. Push it forward and bend it like this, fold it like this, right? And now see, I'm trying to make sure it looks the same, and look at your heart. Isn't it a beautiful heart? Isn't it easy to make also? Now if you want to make a heart shape, try it at home. See you soon.